Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be putting on these bucket seats in the truck while I wait for my mid-travel to come in. Probably end up putting on only one seat because I'm still on the fence about having the passenger a bucket as well. It's going to get pretty dark here soon, so about the nods out. See if we work in the dark. I really don't like lights. I guess I don't know. I'm just whipping the nods out just cause. But oh man. Oh shoot. Check this out. We got. They're kind of like a black suede with a nice leather finish in the back. Jeez. Adjustable as well. And I already slapped in the slider for this one. I'm working on the other side. Oh. Already got the slider in for this one. So we'll be getting the other side in. I'll show you guys how to do that real quick. Kind of did one side just so I can understand what's going on with it. But let's get into it. All right, let's start with folding the seat down. Flip it back over. We're gonna be looking at, has 4 holes on it already. See if I can get you guys to see that. These 4 holes. And the packaging comes with mounts. The 2 sliders. And the adjustable lever as well. Right. And then I got a mount for it for both sides from Planted Seat Bracket Technology, and they make chassis fit brackets so that you can mount these bad boys on there or any other aftermarket seat. And then those come with its own hardware kit as well. But let's start with this. So So you're gonna have the flatted surface, right? It's gonna be super flat, like away from the slide assembly pointing down, and that's gonna be bolted on to the bottom of the seats. And then as well, and then on the other side, you're gonna want them both facing each other. So the 2 bolts on the inside, I don't know if you can see those. You just want these 2 brackets facing each other like this, and then just snap it on. Right. In case if it got too dark on me, but you'll put these sliders in, have the long piece pointed towards the back of the seat, like the rest of the seat, and then you push this in, right? You'll slide it up, put that bolt in, push it in again, slide it down, and then you'll be able to get the second one in. That's how you get that in. And then let's reset this. Oops, hold on. Here we go. Okay, as I was saying, this thing, 2 holes these. It goes like, I don't know if you can see that. I can't even see that. Okay, in that hole, and then we'll just bend this in we go. These 4 bolts, right, just like the driver, on the side right here, and then this one, and then there is there's a 5th one, and I believe it's that one. No, wait, that's for that. No, I think this is it. Yeah, it's for the middle seat belt that holds that. There's like a clamp there. It's those 5, and then obviously unplug this, and then that seat comes out. But now that's done. And then for mounting the seat in, let's see. We'll grab the bracket. And so the hardware that comes, or you have to buy this for this. Yeah, does not. It's bought separately. So make sure you guys buy that. Then this is a 3/16, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 3/16 hex head, and then a 1/2 on the nut. And then I'm gonna slide this up just so I have room, and you'll just pull this down while you slide this up. And then nut or bolt, spacer, nut. And it's a locking nut, so really nice. It's not going nowhere. Get that in. Other side in. And then rack that right over it. There we go. Spacer. Just up a little bit. You just want to start it. Other side. Boom. There you go. Then from here, I just mount it on. Let me just slap that right back here. So y'all could see this. Oh, shoot. Whoa. Damn, this thing is heavy. Alright. And then we just bolt everything in now. For all the 4 bolts. This seatbelt wiring, I think I have an idea to retain this, but we'll get back to you guys on that. Alright, so I got all the bolts in. I just need to slide it, push down, slide this thing forward. There we go. There we go. Was not as hard on the driver's side, but we got it. So This is what I mean by like just slapping it on and then trying to get the seat to move forward but leaving the rails behind. So it exposes the holes in the back. And then I can still adjust before I bolt that down. But that looks pretty squared away, bro. Make your last adjustments to the seat. And then we get this fool attached. I just gotta be careful not to mess up your adjustment. Get that snug. Next one. Now I can slide the seat back. All right. And hit the front ones. Go. There we go. Just double checking the alignment of the seat real quick. Once you tighten the two back ones, it holds it so. We'll figure that out later, but let's get this attached. gonna be over here. Just went to Harbor Freight, or no, not Harbor Freight, Ace Hardware, and took the original bolts I had. What were they? I don't remember. But I took the original hardware and matched it up. Got something a little bit shorter, and then with the nut. Well, there you go. Nice and tight. Alright. Let's this out. And it's just wired all the way up here. Oh. Hold on. Through the back, then to the front. Just feeding more through, give it some more slack. And just put it right back in. Don't really like how this angling goes, but there's nowhere else to funnel this in. I don't want it really hanging out in here, but I'll figure that out later too. So, and then our coiny little straps. So this kind of, my train thought is that it helps with the entanglement that's happening right up here. An entanglement. Boom. All right. Chill out. Okay. There we go. Some better looks. Oh yeah.